2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.